In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Vercel build cache. If you've ever seen stubborn build errors, outdated assets, or configuration changes that don't seem to take effect, a clean build can help. We will do this directly from the Vercel dashboard as a one-time action, so you get a fresh compile without changing any persistent project settings. Start by opening your project in the Vercel dashboard. From the project's navigation, go to the Deployments tab. This is where every deployment for the project is listed, with the newest one at the top. Find your most recent deployment and move your cursor to the right side of that row to reveal the three-dot menu. Click those dots to open the Actions menu. Then choose Redeploy. A confirmation window will appear. By default, Vercel speeds things up by reusing the existing build cache. Because we want a truly clean run, locate the checkbox labeled Use Existing Build Cache and uncheck it. This tells Vercel to ignore all previously cached artifacts, such as installed dependencies and compiled outputs, and to rebuild everything from scratch. With the cache option unchecked, click Redeploy to begin. You will be taken to a live build view where you can watch logs as each step runs. Expect this build to take longer than usual. That's normal because nothing is being read from cache. This fresh build often surfaces clearer error messages and ensures any recent dependency or framework changes are fully applied. When the build finishes, you'll see a new deployment. If your workflow promotes certain branches to production, that behavior stays the same. This action doesn't change your settings or environment variables. It simply affects the specific redeploy. Future deployments will go back to using cache unless you repeat these steps. A few quick tips while you wait. Keep your dependency log file up to date for repeatable installs. Watch the logs for warnings you might have missed in cached runs. And be mindful that large monorepos or private registries may extend build time during a clean build. That's it, your project has now been rebuilt without using the previous cache. If the issue you were seeing was cache related, this should resolve it. And whenever you need another clean slate, just return to the Deployments tab, use Redeploy, and uncheck the cache option. For most teams, this is all you need to diagnose flaky behavior after big upgrades, major refactors, or framework version bumps. Use it sparingly since cache normally speeds up CI significantly. But don't hesitate to trigger a clean build when accuracy matters more than speed. Thanks for watching.